Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to react to status updates in WhatsApp on your PC. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your PC by clicking on the icon. Step 2. Click on the circle icon from the left menu. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the circle icon, which represents the status feature. Step 3. Here you can find new status updates from your contacts. Once you're on the status page, you'll see the latest status updates from your contacts. These updates can be in the form of photos, videos, or text. Step 4. To view a status update, simply tap on it. If you want to see more details or watch a video, just click on the status update you're interested in. Step 5. Here you can react by typing in a message and hitting the send button. If you want to react to a status update, you can type in a message in the text box provided. Once you're done, click on the send button to send your reaction. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to react to status updates in WhatsApp on your PC. It's a great way to engage with your friends and stay connected. Remember, to react to a status, open WhatsApp. Click on the circle icon from the left menu, view the status updates, tap on the one you want to react to, type in your message, and hit the send button. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.